Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this session, I'm going to show you how you can get design ideas. One of the questions many people have reached out to me years back is how can I get a particular design idea, or how can I come out with a layout? So what I regard as creativity, it's all about taking other people's ideas and try to improve on those ideas. Yeah, so most of my design, I don't design them from scratch per se. I don't use my own ideas. I look at what others have done and I see if I can improve on them. So this app, I want you to download and install this app, Pinterest. This is what I've been using as inspirations for my design, Pinterest. So right now I will log into the app. This is a platform where many people do their design and they upload here for others to have access to. So here you can have access to whatever design you want. For instance, if you want to design let me say a church flyer, you come here and type church flyer. We give various type of church flyer designs here. From there you can choose any one and you replicate. From there you'll be learning. So if I say I want to design um a book cover, just come here and type book cover. Yeah, there are so many designs here, so you can take any of them, you download, and from there you can have your idea, yeah, on what to do. And again, you also have free images that you can use for your designs. For instance, let me just type in free portrait images. Let me not use free because everything here is free. So portrait images, click search. Yeah, so these are images of people you can use to do your inspiration design, to do whatever design that you desire. Yeah, so there's a lot more in this app. Yeah, if you explore this app, you discover a lot more. So you want to do let me say business flyer design. Okay, you want to do a business flyer design, just type in your business flyer and we give you access to a lot of business flyer designs. Yeah, so my network is kind of slow, so these are the various business flyer designs. So from this design we'll be picking one and we see if we can replicate. Let the designs load first. Okay, so I'll choose this one. Let me choose this one so that we replicate. So if you look at the top, you see three dots. You click on those three dots. Yeah, you see the download tab. You click download. Automatically it has been downloaded. A confirmation will be displayed here. Okay, image downloaded. So we try and design this, and let me see what again. Let me see what we can possibly design. There was a flyer here. Let me see. Okay, we'll also design this. Yeah. So with this, I'll just look at whatsoever has been done here and I try to replicate. It's a way of practice. And if I do this many more times, then I think I will grab the concept of it. So each time I want to do a design, I'll not rush back here to look for a concept. Yeah, that's already stick in me. So we'll be designing these two designs.